Okay, so let's be real for a second. Are you an academic, someone who's totally passionate about your subject, but you're finding it tough to design a program that really, truly works? Like you're putting in all this effort, but it just feels like something's missing, or you're hitting a wall.
And then there are the students themselves. We're talking about millennial learners here. Are you finding it tricky to get them engaged? To really connect with them? Let's face it, they learn and interact in a completely different way than any generation before them.
Look, if any of that sounds familiar, trust me, you are definitely not alone. But here's the good news. There's a way through all this. Today, we're going to dive into something called outcome-based education. It's a total game changer, really. Instead of just focusing on what to teach, it flips the script and starts with what you want your students to be able to do at the end. And it's built for today's world, for Industry 4.0.
So yeah, let's really get into the weeds here. What is this modern challenge all about? Because the academic world, wow, it has changed. It's not just about giving great lectures anymore, is it? It's a whole new landscape out there with a completely different set of rules.
Think about it. Your expertise in your field is still absolutely critical, of course. But now, on top of that, you've got to be a master course designer. You need to keep up with all the modern teaching methods, create these complex outcome-based evaluations. Oh, and you have to navigate all those accreditation requirements, like from the MQA. It's like you have to wear a dozen different hats, and honestly, it can be a lot.
So, here's the main takeaway from all that. Your knowledge, your expertise, it's absolutely essential. But it's not the only thing anymore. To really succeed, to really thrive and make an impact today, you need this whole other skill set that's specifically for the academic world. But what if you didn't have to piece all of that together by yourself? Imagine if there was a clear path forward, a program that was literally designed to give you all the tools you need to be an amazing educator in this Industry 4.0 era. So, who's this for, you might be asking? Well, it's perfect for a few different people. Maybe you're a fresh graduate, just starting your journey into the academic world. Or maybe you're a new lecturer who's come from industry. This program, it's basically your launch pad. It's the thing that bridges the gap between what you know and how you teach it effectively.
All right, so how does it all work? Let's take a look at what happens over these 2 days. This is where the transformation really begins, and we're going to cover the core skills you'll walk away with. Day 1 is all about getting the fundamentals right. We're talking about building a really solid foundation. First, you'll get a handle on the whole Malaysian Qualifications Framework, the MQF, so it's not this big, scary thing anymore. And then, you'll learn how to design your courses with real purpose, using techniques like program mapping and calculating student learning time. This is the stuff that makes your courses actually work.
Yeah, that acronym, MQF. I know, it can sound a bit intimidating, right? But seriously, don't worry about it. Just think of it as the playbook, the national standard for how academic programs are supposed to be structured. And this program is going to break it all down for you, so you can navigate the whole system feeling totally confident. Okay, so that's day 1. Then on day 2, we switch gears and focus completely on the students. You're going to deep dive into how millennial learners tick, what their learning styles are, what actually motivates them. And just as important, you'll learn how to actually assess their success in a way that makes sense, mastering things like rubric design and how to evaluate your whole program. But here's something that's really, really important to understand. This isn't just about what you learn, it's about how you learn it. Because this program is designed to be an experience, not just a download of information.
So you can forget about just sitting there through boring lectures. No way. This is completely hands-on. We're talking case studies that deal with real-world problems, lively forum discussions with your peers, even some role-playing to see things from different perspectives. You'll do presentations, and you'll even get into things like gamification. The idea is you learn by doing, so you experience these modern techniques yourself.
So, at the end of these 2 days, what do you actually walk away with? Well, it's way more than just a piece of paper. It's a genuine transformation. You're going to have a practical, ready-to-use toolkit that empowers you to be the kind of educator you've always wanted to be.
Let's break down that new skill set. You'll walk out understanding the MQA requirements inside and out. You'll know how to tailor your teaching to connect with millennials. You'll be able to design programs that actually get your students ready for a job. And you'll have the skills to create high-quality assessments that really show what's been learned. It's the whole package.
And having these skills, well, that directly translates to professional growth. Just imagine feeling completely confident every time you design a course. Picture seeing your student engagement scores go way up. That kind of stuff, that's what leads to real, tangible career advancement.
This is really what it's all about. It's about taking you on a journey from feeling like you're just trying to stay afloat as a new lecturer to becoming a true academic leader. Someone who's not just teaching, but actively shaping the future of education.
So, when you think about it, this isn't just another training course to check off a list. It's a real investment, an investment in yourself, in your career, and honestly, an investment in every single student that you're going to teach from now on. And this quote really nails it. It's about going back to the fundamentals, but with a fresh perspective. By doing that, by strengthening that core, you're not just getting better in the classroom, you're actively paving the way for your own career path, for those promotions and advancement.
So is this for you? Well, if you're a junior academic, this is going to give you an incredible head start. If you're a senior academic who wants to stay sharp and relevant, this is the perfect way to do it. Honestly, it's for anyone in education who wants to get better and is passionate about what they do.
Which really just brings us to one last question. You've seen the challenges, and you've seen a clear path to get past them. So the only thing left to ask is, are you ready to be the one who shapes the future of education?